Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add ING card to your Google Pay. Now the first thing I want you to do is launch up your Google Wallet, okay? And log into the same Google account that you use for both Google Pay and Google Wallet. And then come in the bottom right and click on Add to Wallet. Tap on this and then tap on this plus icon that you'll find right here. And you get all of these options. What I want you to do is choose the first one where it says payment card. Okay, tap on this one. And now we're adding a payment card. So you can tap on a new credit or a debit card and then just search up ING and then go ahead and enter the account number, the expiration date. You'll find it right here. And at the back, you'll also find the CVV code. I want you to enter those in and you can go ahead and add this to your Google Pay as a payment card. Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.